Hopalong is bored. She needs some playthings. She also needs like a little shelter, house, barn, whatever you call it, to isolate her when it gets too hot from the heat lamp, to give her some shade. Hop along. Daddy built you something. Daddy made you a house. There you go, Hopalong. Daddy built a house for Hopalong for shelter for when it gets too hot. As you can see from her jumping around, she was very, very excited.
Oh, baby.
While I was at it, I also built her a little sandbox. It's so she can eat the sand, and it helps her with digestion. And she plays in it. She likes that. So now she's pretty decked out, and we're going to be giving her more upgrades. So please subscribe to see those upgrades. Hope you all have a great day.